Okay, y'all. So this is day 5 of changing my entire life, period. So I woke up, I'm tired. Today I actually go to work. I done took this entire week off. I'm just like, I had so many doctors and hospital visits. I got to get back to this money. Okay, so I woke up super early at 5, took a shower, made my kids some breakfast, some sweet potatoes, some squash, and it's looking good. It's smelling good. Also, I had these mushrooms, y'all, and I fried them, and it tastes and smells just like chicken. I fried it up the way I would chicken. Y'all gonna see that. I also made this smoothie, and today after I get off work, I plan on going to Sam's Club and trying to find some vegan protein to put up in there. Look at these mushrooms, though. Look how juicy them things is, y'all. Like, it really tasted amazing. I could see myself doing that with mushrooms and onions. I'm just trying to get in where I fit in to make the yummiest, tastiest vegan meals that I know how. I already was a cooker, kind of a chef, voyeur mommy. So I'm just putting it together the way I would without meat. So here I am. I'm straining it, letting the water and stuff pour out, and then I'm going to put it in these containers and put it inside the refrigerator so they can have some more for lunch and dinner and everything. So yeah, y'all, I'm doing all this at 5 o'clock in the morning before work. I was the first one to get up, and I wanted to make sure that I got all of this together before my babies even wake up, fixing their plate. I put more on their plate than I did mine. I'm not really much of a breakfast eating person. I don't really have too much of an appetite when I first wake up, but I still got us straight, and we ready to start our day. So here are the containers with the food in and everything. Here's my plate. Like I said, I didn't put too much on it, but it was fire.com, y'all. So off I am on my way to work. So I'm in the car. I'm trying to pump myself up. I'm like, okay, I got my natural thing going on, y'all. I'm honestly just trying to rock my own natural hair, and I had a good day, y'all. Up until my 4th hour, they were clowning. It got so loud to the point where another teacher stepped in and kind of like tried to put my class in check. And y'all, that was so embarrassing. I was so disappointed in the class, and they absolutely trashed it. Here I am trying to hurry up and throw these tissues and stuff away before the next class come, because if they see it already dirty and nasty, they're not going to respect it either. I went to the bathroom and realized that I started bleeding profusely, y'all. Like, it was just so bad, and this stress really triggered it. So I'm trying to take it slow and pick up this trash. I feel like subs and teachers in general do not get enough respect, y'all. Please do better at home trying to raise y'all kids and teach them how to respect other people. But it's not even that. A person's going to be and do what they want to do or who they're destined to be regardless. But y'all, just please think about how other people may be feeling and how they may have things at home that they're dealing with already. So after work, I was so happy to get off, y'all. I took my babies and I went to Sam's Club, and we did a whole lot of shopping, okay? I just wanted to get some stuff. I'm really focused in on vegan products. I see that they already put out the fall stuff, and they got the mums. Those were dang near $20. I don't know about that, y'all. It didn't even fully bloom yet. Maybe when they bloom, I might go and get it. Y'all, I got this vegan protein powder that I had looked up online, y'all. I got that in vanilla, and it does taste really good. But I looked at the price. I showed daughter. I said, show the camera, show the people. Y'all, that thing was $33.98. Are you serious? Then we went to Walmart afterwards, and I got this frying pan that I really wanted to do our stir fries and things like that. I got to figure out how to make a vegan stir fry. I'm just like really learning and growing as I go along and teaching my kids as well. I didn't have a rolly chair in Walmart because they didn't have any. So here I am walking around, y'all. I'm really walking in Walmart. I'm in pain though, from the bleeding. I found these big old jumbo watermelons, and y'all, they are so juicy. It really is a difference, and it was only $6.93. The regular ones were like $3 something, but I had to do that. Then afterwards, I went to County Market. There's the African Pure Shop I was telling you, and these donkey chips are actually vegan, so we got 2 of those. It was on sale for 2 for $5. We're riding home, enjoying the sunset, and we just relaxing. And we came home, watching movies, had a quick bedtime snack, and we just enjoyed our day. So I hope that you guys continue to follow me on my journey as I go this pure route. Excuse something if you hear it in the background. My son is currently doing dishes. But make sure you guys also watch my lives too, because there's some things that I may have left out of my little 4 or 5 minute sum ups about my day, and it gets into juicy details. So love you guys. Bye.